Hello everyone and welcome back to another one of my videos. Let us today create a fun night sky with a little teddy bear floating to wish you a very happy birthday. For our card today, I used the Happiest Wishes Stamp Set from Simon's Stamp June 2022 card kit. What a fun card kit! It's got some really unique products. Do check out my previous video where I unboxed this card kit and have in detail shown you the contents of this Happiest Wishes card kit. Well, before we get started, I would really appreciate if you could take a minute to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon so that you get notified each time I post a new video. Let's get started. Here is the huge 6x8 Happiest Wishes Stamp Set. It has some really cute and adorable little images. The sentiments on this stamp set is perfect for creating birthday cards and also for creating invitation cards if you would like to invite your family or friends for some fun occasions. Just take a look at those big bold sentiments which says happy birthday, there's one which says you're invited to a party, let's celebrate you, floating by to say happy birthday, and many more. The first thing that I did as I got this beautiful stamp set was I went ahead and stamped all of these images on a white cardstock. I stamped these images using VersMark Ink and used the Ranger Black embossing powder. The embossing powder gives a beautiful shine to these images. Then I colored all of these images using alcohol markers. Not just these cute dog, kitty and the teddy bear, I also created my own sheet of sentiments using all of these sentiments on the stamp set. I can later cut these into small strips and use them on my card fronts. The stamp set comes with coordinating dies, which is not part of the kit but can be bought separately from the Simon's Stamp website. I just went ahead and fussy cut them using a pair of scissors. Now that we have the stamped and colored images and our sentiment strips, all we have to do is mix them all up and create a beautiful card front. For our card today, I will be creating a simple night sky using this little floating teddy bear and some clouds. For the base of our card, I will be using a navy blue A2 size card panel. I used the biggest rectangle die from the Spellbinder's nesting dies, which is slightly smaller than an A2 size card base. Now that my panel is ready, before I adhere the images, I will create a little sparkly stars for my night sky. For that, I am using some gold and silver metallic watercolors and using my paintbrush, I added some splatters all along my card panel. While my panel was drying, I went ahead and prepared the images and sentiments to be adhered onto this panel. So I went ahead and added some foam tape on all of these images. Now that my background panel is all dry, let's create a beautiful scene. First, I'm attaching this cute little floating teddy bear. You will see that I'm using some Simon's Stamp Craft Tacky glue on the foam tape. This gives me some wiggle room before I fix my images permanently onto the card panel. I did the same with all of these images, including the huge stamp set which says floating by to say happy birthday, perfect with our little teddy bear. Once I was satisfied with my card front, using some strong double-sided tape, I adhered my card front onto an A2 size white pre-folded card. Before we call this card done, let's add a little more shine to it. I'm using my Spectrum Noir glitter brush pens to add sparkle to all of these images. Next, you will see me using some glossy accent on the balloon for some added shine and a glossy look. The glossy accent will dry out clear and give a beautiful shine to our balloon. Well, here's a look at the finished card. I paired it with a navy blue envelope with the same metallic starry pattern. I hope you had fun watching today's video and got inspired. All the supplies can be found linked in the description box below. I would love for you to become a subscriber to my channel, and if you do subscribe or are already a subscriber, please make sure to hit the bell icon so that you don't miss the next time I post. Hit the like button and let me know in the comments down below if you have any ideas or suggestions. Also, if you'd like to share your creations, please tag me on my Instagram at rp_shutterbug. There's a link to that in the description box below. Thank you again for joining me today. Until next time, stay safe.